Hey, this is Scott, and thanks for checking out this video. I am one of the two coolest campers ever. Sherry is not in this video because I'm going to be solo camping in a couple of days at the EAA Air Venture in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. And I'll be camping under a plane, the wing of a plane, for most of the time. But there'll be a couple of nights before my brother gets there with the plane that I'll be camping on my own. I'm not going to take the Go because I would have to camp too far away. And the gazebo is just a little bit too much for one, maybe 2 nights. So I found a tiny little tent on Amazon that looks like it's super easy to set up and tear down. But in this video, I'm going to show you firsthand. This is the first time I'm taking this thing out of the packaging and setting it up and tearing it down, if it works. And you'll find out why it's worth a video here shortly. So let's check it out. And here it is. The tent in this big old square yet skinny box. How does somebody get a tent in this thing? First of all, I'm going to put a link to this product in the description. I don't even know. Where do they come up with these names? Rivenlow. It's weird. Where do they come up with these names? But you can see it's round and it's thin. And there are instructions on the back about how to set this up and tear it down. And this is literally the first time I'm opening this up. So we're going to dive right into it right now. So as I mentioned, these instructions on the back of this case are going to come in very handy. I am 99% certain that the setup for this item is going to be significantly easier than the teardown. So let's see what we've got. Here's the tent. This is a Rainfly, which is one of the reasons I bought this one. I actually started to order another one that was almost identical in price. It did not have a Rainfly. It had pretty decent reviews, but all the reviews that were bad said, do not use it in the rain. If you've ever been to Air Venture in Oshkosh, you know it will rain at least 1 or 2 nights. And there are some stakes. There's probably one for each corner. It looks to be like maybe 2, 4, maybe 6 or 8 stakes. We're not going to worry about that now. So this is going to be fun. Are you? Whoa, sheesh, people. Sherry is behind the camera laughing her off. That's some funny stuff right there. Woo. So, word of warning, when you take this thing out for the first time, be prepared. Wow. Sherry, you want to say anything about that?
I'm trying so hard not to laugh out loud. I'm about to hurt myself.
Okay, I can see this is a front, or there's openings on each side and on each end, and then windows on the side. But check this out. My son is up there in his bedroom looking out the windows laughing at me, but that's okay. Whoa, see, this is going to be fun to roll back up, but check that out. Boom, shakalaka. Seriously, that's what I like about this thing. I'm going to take this to Oshkosh and I will make another video about using this, okay? Geez, how many times can you pick up a tent for a review? You can see the top. Oops. How many times is it going to collapse if I do that? That's actually kind of nice that it's so small and it moves easily. But you can see it's got a mesh top, which would be great if it's not raining. But that's what's going to be nice about having the Rainfly. So when it does rain, hopefully I stay dry. It's got windows on the side. I'm actually going to try to put a twin size air mattress in this thing. Again, because the most I'll be using this is 2 nights, most likely 1 night. So, deep breath. That opening kind of scared me. I mean, honestly, this is making me nervous now. Sherry, did you want to add something?
I was just going to say turn it so you can see the
Oh.
actual entrance.
Oh, I'm going to. because I watched several videos on how to do this. And again, in the link to this item on Amazon, in the user reviews, there's several videos about how to tear this down. Clearly the setup is easy, just make sure you have a good heart. If you got a bad heart or pacemaker or something like that, you might want to have somebody else do this for you. Because seriously, my heart's still racing from that thing popping out like it did. And Sherry is still laughing behind the camera. Not joking, she really is. So here we go. Here's what I saw most people do in the videos. They start at one end and they basically grab all these loops like this. Seems simple enough. Boom. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a piece of cake. Hope I didn't speak too soon. It shows to grab it like this and then twist this one over this way. Ooh, boy, I don't know about this. I'm gonna be glad I'm doing this here. Come on, why won't you move? Somebody's got a grill going on here and I can smell somebody barbecuing. That's not fair, because this is a lot of work, dang it. Oh! I don't even know what I did. Seriously, what did I just do? Whoa! I did that on purpose, but I'm so excited I want to try that again and try to explain what I did. So, I get all these top loops, and then I'm looking at the bag that has the instructions on it down here behind me, and it says pull one side toward you, then pull the other side onto it. So, I kind of did this. I really don't know what I did. Pull one side toward you. See, I thought in one of the videos it showed kind of pull one side toward you. Oh, oh, ah! Come on, you little bugger. Okay, this is one side toward me. That's sort of, I don't think that's right. But strap placed on one side. Ooh, it shows it just like this. So I might be on the right track. Now you push down. Ow! Oh! Ah! I don't want this thing opening up again. That's seriously, you can tell. Sherry's getting a lot out of this video. I hope you guys are too. Seriously, I could feel it was going in the right direction, but I could also tell if I didn't get on this thing, maybe not as dramatically as that, but if you don't get that, see, it wants to like pop back up. So I'm grabbing all these bars here, or poles or whatever. Oh, 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 sheesh beeble. You tell your kids at home to not say what Scott says, unless it's Beeble, which I don't know what that means. That's just a better word than what I would normally say. All right. Literally, the bag shows to have the handle out like this. Push one hand, push down with one hand out and one hand in. God, how did I do this? Man, I'm not sure about doing this in a campsite with, you know, hundreds of other people around. I might have to do it in the dark of night. Push down with one hand outward, the other one inward, and push down with both of them. Then turn it like a figure 8. Here we go. Can't believe I got it the first time. One hand out, one hand in. Oh! 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 Yeah, you little bugger. There. Success. Now, rather than, well, this strap, I'm going to try this because I am going to be solo for a night or two. And I want to see if I can, it doesn't feel like that strap's going around this, but I didn't loosen it. So it's tight enough to keep its, hey, straw. Getting close. Wait for it. By the way, you can tell we're in the driveway. And we had some people ask, why haven't we made any content, or have we been camping, or if we're okay? And we appreciate that. I think Maureen was one that asked. And we appreciate you asking. We are okay. And no, we haven't been camping because we've been super busy this summer. Sherry has had a singing competition. I've had a singing competition. And when we've had open weekends, it's been either hotter than heck or raining, and we know it's raining, and we don't want to go set up in the rain. Anyway, we will get camping again. We still love to go. We just, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I know the rain fly and the tent stakes. They're back here. I can put them in. Check this out. That's right where we started. How would you pronounce that? Ravenlow. Ravenlow. I don't know. Why do they come up with these names? But we do have a bag that the item actually fits back in. So that's a big thumbs up for this company. And check this out. I haven't shown you this yet. If you want to go hiking, like you're going to climb Pikes Peak or something. There we go. Little backpack straps. Look, that's pretty damn cool, isn't it? Seriously, this is a hiker's tent right here. I can see this being handy if you got your hands full with other stuff. Those are adjustable, but they're about all the way out. So there you have it. That is the setup and teardown of this Ribbon Flow tent. It's going to be critical that you keep this bag, not only because it's how you store all this stuff, but this is going to be nice. Again, I love the gazebo for even one person camping. It's just kind of bulky and big to put in the car, and a little much to set up for one night, maybe two. And so this was like 85 bucks on Amazon. Link is in the description. We don't make any money on any of this stuff. We're just here to help. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure to watch for the next video, and I will review this on what it's like and how it worked in Oshkosh at my 1 or 2 night camping trip. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't. We are only 45 subscribers away from 1,000. Now, we still have to have like billions of watch hours to, you know, reach the next level. We don't care. Just subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. If you have one of these, let us know in the description how it's worked for you, and we'll see you down the road. Thanks for watching.